Hey kiddos, this is part 2 of Monday's lesson. Okay, let's look at sentence 4. Strong winds move the trees. Okay, first ask yourself, where does the sentence split? Where does the subject end and the predicate begin? And that happens right here between winds and move. Ask yourself, what is the simple subject? The simple subject is winds. What is the verb in this sentence? The verb here is move. Okay? Now, do I have a word, an adjective that's describing a noun in this sentence? And the answer to that question is yes. And the adjective is strong. And I want you to ask yourself, what is strong describing? Strong is describing winds in that sentence. Okay, so what question is it answering? What kind or how many? Strong answers what kind? Okay, kiddos, as we move over here, I want you to try to work ahead of me. Okay, try to anticipate the questions I'm going to ask and try to challenge yourself if you know this information or not, okay? Okay, sentence 1 says, large camels live in the desert. Okay, I want you to split this sentence in half. Where does the subject end and the predicate begin? That happens between camels and live. Okay, what's our simple subject? Our simple subject is camels. What is the verb, or what do the camels do? The camels live. Well done. Okay, is there a word that is describing a noun, or is there an adjective in this sentence? The adjective that I see is the word large, and it is describing camels. Now, these are things that we've already done before. They're things that you started to do in 3rd grade. This next step is a new step, okay? So we're going to start diagramming sentences, which is like putting an awesome puzzle together, and you're going to love it. I know you are, especially you, Luke. Okay, so this is how we're going to diagram this sentence. We've got the subject and verb, and then off the subject is this adjective line. And an adjective is always going to be connected to what it's describing, okay? So our subject in this sentence, what is the subject in this sentence? The subject is camels. So subject goes here, so I'm going to put camels. What do camels do, or what is the verb? Camels live. The verb goes there. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. Camels live. And what word is describing camels? The word that describes camels in this sentence is large. The adjective goes there, so I'm going to put my adjective right here. Okay, and that sentence is done. Okay, let's look at sentence 2. Road runners are fast. Now, ask yourself this. Where do I split this sentence? Where does the subject end and the predicate begin? That is after road runners. What is my subject? The subject in this sentence is road runners. What is my verb? My verb is are. And this is a special verb, and I know you know what type of verb this is. This is a linking verb. And linking verbs do awesome things. They link things together, and in this case, they're linking our subject with an adjective that describes the subject, and that's called a predicate adjective. Why would it be called a predicate adjective? Maybe because it's always in the predicate. Absolutely. Okay, let's take a look at how we're going to diagram this sentence. We've got our subject and linking verb just like we did here. Subject, verb, the same exact way. However, when we have a predicate adjective, we draw this really fancy sideways line, and we write the predicate adjective right here. So follow along with me. What's our subject in this sentence? Road runners. Road runner comes right here. Okay, we need to know what's next. Is our linking verb. Our linking verb is are. Okay, see how I always have that awesome line all ready for me? Okay. I need the predicate adjective, or the PA, right here. That PA is fast. Fast is going to go right here. Road runners are fast. Okay, kiddos, you've got page 237 and 238 to work on. If you have any questions, email me or send me a text message. Have a great Monday. Bye-bye.